Hey everyone, Pedro from Kolena here. Today I'm going to show you how you can drop a 100-unit rent roll onto our agent and basically extract all the information within minutes. We've put together an agent that saves you a lot of time by taking away the manual extraction and entry, specifically for rent rolls. If you deal with 200 units, 300 unit rent rolls, even 100 units, it takes a lot of time to pull that information and then enter it into your financial template. What we're going to do here today is show you how you can just drag and drop your documents, let the agent do his job, and then just extract all the information, and you can just pass that information over to your workbook. So over here on my agent, I have a couple of rent rolls already processed, but I'm going to go ahead and grab a 100-unit rent roll onto the agent and just hit on submit. What is happening right now, if I open this task, you can see that the agent has already started. There are a couple of things that I'm asking the agent to do. First and foremost, it is supposed to extract the information from the rent roll in my format, so you can basically set up the agent in a way that reflects your framework, even if it comes to data extractions like rent roll or any other data extractions. The agent goes about this by going in a row by row manner, extracting the information just to make sure that it has all the related information. And once it's done, I have instructed the agent to also generate a unit mix based on the floor plans that are visible on the rent roll right here on the second column. And I don't have to do any back of the napkin calculations. They're all happening within the agent's logic. And you can simply just go ahead and grab the output. Right now, about 100 rows were extracted doing the reasoning, and just like that, all 100 rows from this rent roll is extracted. It really doesn't matter if your rent roll has different formats, so you're getting rent rolls from different sources, they all have different formats. It really doesn't matter. The agent can't process anything, even if they're scanned documents. I have a scanned document example as well. But if you take a look at this output here, you can see that all the information that I was looking for was extracted. If it doesn't exist, it returns null. So my rent roll doesn't have any of the pet and park fees. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the unit mix. So as I was talking, the unit mix was put together. These are my floor plans. These are the total units. And you can also add a row to this table that calculates the average square footage if you want to put the total occupancy rate and so on and so forth. We can just adjust the prompts here to reflect your workflows. Just like that, we saved a ton of time by not doing this manually and just dropping it onto the agent, getting our results back. This can be later pushed over to your template. You can increase the volume of your pipeline. You can go through many more rent rolls in the entire process end to end. And that's our rent roll extraction agent.